Good morning, student. Today we will learn about how we can convert a binary number system into the decimal, or how we can convert a decimal number system into the binary. Let's an example of a binary number system is yesterday we discussed about binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Now we take an example of a binary number system. So we have one binary number system 1 1 0 1 is our binary number system with the base 2. How we can convert this binary number system into the decimal? To convert a binary number system into the decimal number system, first we have to multiply each digit with 2. हर डिजिट को 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू पुट द arithmetical addition symbol between all this multiplication and put the power from back side in increasing order from 0 to whatever top level is there. So now let's we start. First we will multiply each digit with the 2. 1 into 2 then plus, then 1 into 2 then plus, 0 into 2 then plus, then 1 into 2. After that we have to put the power on 2 from 0 to increasing order, that is 0 1 2 and 3. After that we have to perform the calculation on given number. 2 to the power 0 means 1 into 1, this will become 0 because 0 multiplied with any number that becomes 0. Then 1 into 2 to the power 2, that means 1 into 4. Then 1 into 2 to the power 3, this means 8. Now 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. So this becomes 13. Now this 13 is your decimal number system. So this is the simple process by which we can convert a binary number system to decimal number system. Again I am repeating, take a binary number system. After that we have to multiply each digit with 2. हर digit को 2 के साथ में multiply करना है. We have to place a addition symbol between each digit, and after that we have to place power on the 2 from 0 to increasing order. जहाँ तक चलता है वहाँ तक आपको 0 से लेकर increasing order में 2 के ऊपर power रखना है. After that we have to perform the calculation. The number that we get at the final, that is called your decimal number system. Now we take an example of a decimal number system to binary number system. So now we have one decimal number system, that is 12. This is our decimal number system 12. How we can convert this 12 decimal number system into the binary? For that you have to divide this decimal number system again and again with 2, and you have to collect all the remainders. This is the way by which we can get the binary number system from decimal. Again and again we have to divide given number with 2, 12, 6, remainder 0, again divide by 2, answer 3, remainder 0, again divide by 2, answer remainder 1, answer 1. From the back side we have to collect all the remainder digits. Here 1 1 0 0. So this is 1 1 0 0 is our binary number system. So in this manner we can convert a decimal number system to binary. To convert a decimal number system to binary, again and again we have to divide given number with 2, and we have to collect all the remainder from back to forward direction. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss how we can convert a decimal number system to octal, or octal number system to decimal or binary number system. Thank you very much.